In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your domain using a TXT record. We'll be walking through each step to ensure you can successfully complete this process with confidence. So let's get started on this journey to domain verification. First things first, you'll want to obtain the verification code. To begin, navigate to the website or service that requires domain verification, whether that be Google Search Console, Facebook, or Google Cloud. Once you're there, you'll want to move to the domain verification section. Look for the method that involves using a DNS record, specifically a TXT record. This method is often the most accessible and is widely used for verifying domains. Now, you should see a unique TXT record value generated for you. This is your key to verification, so go ahead and copy this value. Now that you have your TXT record value, it's time to add it to your Hostinger account. Start by logging into your Hostinger account and opening up your hPanel. Once you're in, navigate over to the DNS Zone editor. You'll find this option under the Advanced section, but you can also access it by going to Hosting, then selecting Manage for the domain you're working on. Inside the DNS Zone editor, you'll need to add a new record. Here's where you select the type of record you want to add, in this case a TXT record. For the host or name field, you'll enter the appropriate value. Often this is simply the @ symbol, or it might be your actual domain name. It's important to note that the exact value can vary depending on the service, so if you're unsure, a quick look at the platform's instructions or support pages can be helpful. Next, paste that unique TXT value you copied earlier into the TXT value or value field. This pasted value is the one you obtained in the first step and is crucial for verification. When you've made sure everything is accurately in place, go ahead and click Add Record to save your changes. Adding a TXT record might take some time to propagate, which means it could be a few minutes or up to 72 hours before the changes are fully effective across the internet. Once that process is complete, you should be all set. The service you're verifying with can now check and confirm your domain. That's all there is to it. By following these instructions carefully, you'll have verified your domain with a TXT record in no time. If you run into any trouble or delays, just be patient. DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully register. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your domain verification.